Good morning, students. I have completed chapter 5 acid, bases, and salts. Your chapter is completed. Now I am going to send you a video for to the whole chapter. Okay. In our daily life, we use a large number of edible substances such as lemon, baking soda, tamarind, common salt, sugar, curd, and vinegar. Some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Acids, bases, and salts are the three important groups of chemical substances that are used by us in different ways. Some of the acids, bases, and salts occur in nature and they can be made artificially in factories also. Now come to know we about the acid and bases. The word acid has been derived from a Latin word acere, which means sour. Acere means sour. Thus, all sour substances essentially contain acids. Substance like lemon juice, orange juice, unripe mango, and curd taste sour. They taste sour because they contain substances called acid in them. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The acids in these substances are natural acids. Okay. However, there are other substances like baking soda. It does not taste sour. It means that it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. Substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch, are known as bases. The chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. Okay, all of you clear acid and bases? Now come to natural indicators around us. It is not safe to taste every substance to find out if it is acidic or basic. There are some special substances that have different colors in acidic and basic medium. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Some naturally occurring indicators are litmus, turmeric, China rose petals, and red cabbage juice. These indicators show different colors in acidic and basic medium. First indicator is litmus. Litmus, a natural dye. A naturally occurring indicator, that is litmus, is obtained from certain lichens and used as a dilute solution. You know lichen? Lichen is a plant. Litmus have litmus have mauve in color in water. Mauve color in water. In an acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Usually, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Okay, it is found in the solution form as well as in the paper form. Okay, now come to next. The other indicator is turmeric indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is a bright yellow powder obtained from a plant. It is called haldi in Hindi. It contains a yellow dye. Turmeric turned red in basic solution. It is used as indicator in the form of turmeric paper. It also found in the form of paper. Turmeric paper. China rose is a natural indicator. It is the third indicator. China rose petals. So China rose is a natural indicator. It is called gudhal in Hindi. It is extracted from the red flowers of the China rose plant with water. These are the indicators. Now come to the next topic is acid rain. The rain containing excess of acid called an acid rain. The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide dissolve in raindrops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. respectively. It can cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. Okay, this is the acid rain. I have always also explained in your class. Now come to next topic is neutralization. When an acid is mixed with a base, they neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and a basic solution are mixed in suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. So, the reaction between an acid and base is known as neutralization. In the process of neutralization, salt and water are produced with the evolution of heat. Salt produced in the reaction may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. The evolved heat raises the temperature of reaction mixture. We take acid plus base, it forms a new substance, salt and water. Heat is evolved. We take in place of acid hydrochloric acid and a base sodium hydroxide, it forms a new substance, salt, NaCl. It is the salt and water is formed and heat is evolved. Okay, this is hydrochloric acid, this is sodium hydroxide and it forms new substance sodium chloride and water. Now come to next topic is न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इन एवरीडे लाइफ. हमारी डेली लाइफ में न्यूट्रलाइजेशन का क्या वो है. द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन involving acids and bases play a very important role in our everyday life. Number one is indigestion. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This acid helps in digesting our food. Sometimes excess of hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach, which causes indigestion. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia. It contains a base called magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide neutralizes the excess acid and cure indigestion. Clear? Next is ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin of the person, which causes burning pain. The sting of an ant contains formic acid. The effect of formic acid can be neutralized by rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution or calamine solution. Okay, it neutralizes the effect of acid and give a relief. Now, last one is soil treatment. The plants do not grow well if the soil of a place is too acidic or too basic. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. When it is too acidic, it is treated with base. These base neutralize the effect of excess acid present in the soil and reduce its acidic nature. If it is too basic, manure or compost is added to it. The organic matter releases the acid which neutralize the excess bases present in the soil and reduce its basic nature. Yes, your chapter is completed. The whole chapter notes are given in this video. Okay, students, thank you.